Hello. This time we will explain about HVAC planning for clean room. We would like to introduce what is the clean room. First, we use the Japanese book that Clean Room Environmental Planning and Design. Item 1. A clean room is an indoor space in which airborne fine particles, gas and airborne microorganisms are controlled below a specified cleanliness level. We have two types of clean rooms. First, industrial clean room. It's control airborne particles and gas. Second, biological clean room. It's control airborne microorganisms. Item 2. General clean room has positive pressure inside room to prevent contaminants from entering from the outside. On the other hand, there are also hazard prevention clean rooms with negative pressure inside the room so as not to release harmful substances to the outside. The preconceived notion that clean rooms are always positive pressure can lead to major failures and dangers. Item 3. Controlled in clean rooms by supplying air that has passed through these filter. HEPA filter, high efficiency particulate air filter, ULPA filter, ultra low penetration air filter, chemical air filter. We can adopt it if gas contaminants need to be controlled. We would like to introduce related ISO standards for clean rooms in table 2-1. And also, we put related Japanese standard also. If you want to refer more detail or deep knowledge, please check each standard. We would like to explain the classification of air cleanliness based on ISO 14644, 1 and JIS B 9920. Classification is defined by the following formula. Based on the formula, the definition of a class is that smaller particles can exist more and larger particles less. If make summary of result, it will be table 2-2. Normally, designers often refer and use this table. I add the federal standard in table. Sometimes still we refers to the class of cleanliness. What is the difference between ISO and federal standard? Difference is only using unit. ISO is using meter. Federal standard is using feet. Concept is both same. We are going to explain about clean room planning. We would like to show an image of clean room with air circle. 1. Air above fan filter unit. 2. Make clean air through fan filter unit. 3. Air passing through the perforated flow. Hot air due to the heat generation from machine. 4. Make cool air by dry coil. Dry coil is it's not making condensation water from cooling coil. 5. Cool air to be supplied to above fan filter unit through return shaft. Then, come back start situation. If make section of clean rooms to be like that, we consider ceiling space, process and return shaft, then pit space. We put color. Blue color area to be a clean. Other area is non-control. Let's see the layout plan. There is process space and return shaft space. Blue color area to be a clean. Other area is non-control. We would like to explain typical architecture layout planning also. When consider entering workers, we need to consider first changing room to change normal uniform. Next, workers need to change clean clothes in second changing room. We need to plan airlock room to prevent air contamination from outside. Then, workers enter clean room pass through the air shower. Not only the worker, we need consider when deliver the machine or parts. Normally we consider preparation room. It can be remove the dust and cleaning before deliver to clean room. And can be prevent air contamination as airlock. Clean room is one of the special room and process. Depending of client, they request visitor corridor. And also, client adopts central monitoring system. In this case, better to plan monitoring room near clean room. Then maintenance team can take countermeasure immediately when alarm is causing. We introduce summary of specification for each cleanliness. We will not explain details here. When you start the design, please refer table as a one of benchmarks. We would like to start to explain about HVAC planning. This image is one of the typical HVAC system for clean room. Basically, contents is simple. For example, class 6 grade, we need to plan cooling coil, humidifier, and reheating coil for controlling temperature and humidity. And need to consider filter box or fan filter above the ceiling. That's all for contents of HVAC system for clean room for your make simple understanding. We introduce summary of type of HVAC planning in table 6 to 1. We will not explain details here. When you start the design, please refer table as a one of benchmarks. This is non-unidirectional flow. This is unidirectional flow. This is mixing flow. It is making partial clean room. When you start detail HVAC design, we need fix several design input. First, pressure difference. These are image of pressure difference dampener and checking the pressure difference in clean room. Typically, when plan low grade cleanliness, require less pressure difference. When plan high grade cleanliness, require big pressure difference. We introduce table 6 to 4 to decide pressure difference. When you planning clean room, you can refer this table and fix the design parameter. Next, filter selection. Most important point is filter selection for clean room. We show typical filter spec about clean rooms in table 6 to 7. Each filter having collection efficiency. If you want to control particle 0.1 micrometer, we have to use ULPA filter. HEPA filter cannot be control particle 0.1 micrometer. On the other hand, if just use ULPA filter, easily stacked by particle. Designer need to consider combination of the filters in static pressure for fans from initial and running cost. Finally, we would like to introduce one selection diagram about circulation value. Cleanliness to be determined by the amount of air that passes through the filter. Please look figure 6 to 10. First, put target cleanliness. This time class 7. Second, put working condition. This time consider normal load. Then, we can get required circulation time. This time to be required more than 20 air changes per hour. Thank you for watching. In this channel, we will provide useful information for M&A design practice. See you again in next movie.